Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Itswap token, or the Itswap token, however you want to pronounce it. Ticker symbol is IT. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 2nd, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, a cutting-edge, decentralized exchange platform designed for seamless and secure token swaps. The name Itswap reflects our mission to make every token exchange intuitive, trustworthy, and lightning fast in the world of decentralized finance. Now, this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan. They have a total supply of 100 billion tokens. And they have here 18 decimal places on this token. And it was just announced that the Itswap token will be listed tomorrow, March 2nd, 9 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search IT, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, a day prior to the listing, they do have a Kickstarter event available for this token where you can vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 60,000 USDT. Now, what are Itswap tokens and the swap platform? Itswap tokens are the native digital currency of the Itswap ecosystem, designed to facilitate a wide range of transactions within the platform. These tokens play a crucial role in ensuring the seamless operation of the Itswap environment, providing users with various benefits and functionalities that enhance their trading experience. At its core, Itswap tokens serve several essential functions. Number one is a medium of exchange. Users can utilize these tokens to trade various crypto without incurring additional transaction fees, thus maximizing their potential returns on investment. This feeless trading model is one of Itswap's key differentiators, promoting active trading and user engagement. Now, the platform incorporates a reward mechanism that incentivizes users for participating in trading activities and providing liquidity. Users can earn Itswap tokens as rewards for actions such as trading volume, holding tokens, or contributing to liquidity pools. The system not only encourages user participation, but also fosters a vibrant ecosystem where users feel valued for their contributions. Also, governance participation. So holding Itswap tokens grants users voting rights within the Itswap ecosystem. This governance feature empowers the community to have a say in the platform's development, future features, and policy changes. By allowing users to participate in decision-making processes, Itswap aims to create a democratic and transparent environment that reflects the collective interests of the community. Users holding Itswap tokens may also gain access to premium features and services within the platform. These may include advanced trading tools, exclusive market insights, or early access to new functionalities. This tiered approach encourages users to hold and utilize Itswap tokens, fostering long-term engagement within the platform. The swap platform facilitates the exchange of various cryptocurrencies, and Itswap tokens are at the heart of this process. Users can easily swap between different cryptocurrencies using Itswap tokens as the base currency. This integration ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience, enabling users to take advantage of market opportunities quickly. In summary, Itswap tokens are not just a means of transaction, but they are the integral part of the whole Itswap ecosystem, enhancing user engagement, fostering community involvement, and promoting a robust trading environment. Through innovative features and functionalities, Itswap tokens empower users to take control of their trading experience, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of the platform. Now, they have a business model that you could check out. It says how the tokens are allocated. So we already went over, it's a BEP20 token, 100 billion total supply. Now, 20% of the tokens are going to be allocated to team and founders. 30% goes to community and ecosystem incentives. 15% to investors. 10% to the liquidity pools. 10% marketing and partnerships. 5% foundation reserve, and 10% airdrops. Now, there is a development roadmap available. It goes all the way, let's see here, past 2026 and beyond. So it's a pretty lengthy roadmap, but basically it starts with the foundation and infrastructure, then the expansion and integration, community growth and ecosystem development, sustainability and innovation, and their long-term and sustainable initiatives here: energy efficiency, scalability solutions, innovation, etc. Check it all out. Itswap.cc is the webpage, and you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.